Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide and unhide any apps. Simply open your settings, click on to home screen, scroll down and you get this option, press on and showing it to your all installed apps. You just select any apps that you wanna hide, like I'm select my Netflix, and as you can see showing it to my hidden apps section, showing it these apps. Okay, now it's hide 3 apps, press on done. Now successfully hide these apps. Okay, how can easily unhide? Open settings again, home screen, press on, just press on to minus option, press on done. Now successfully unhide these apps, showing it to these hidden apps to unhide in this section.